Well, hi, I'm Joel and I'm at Veering Service Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And if you are ready for your next adventure, then I'm excited to show you and tell you why I absolutely love the all-new 2020 Dutchmen Astoria 2993 RLF. It's a mid-profile rear living fifth wheel with 3 slides, 2 in the living room and a wardrobe slide in the bedroom. It only weighs 9,200 pounds and has an overall length of 33 feet 11 inches with sleeping for 4. It's towable by a half-ton truck or bigger. So if you fall in love with this Dutchmen Astoria, like I think you will, and would like any information about the sale price, about hitch equipment, about whether we can take a camper of yours on trade or not, then hit pause and call me or text me at 616-965-9623. In the meantime, sit back and relax and enjoy this video of this all-new 2020 Dutchmen Astoria 2993 RLF, your next home away from home. Now in this Astoria, you're gonna get the largest, brightest, most modern kitchen in the fifth wheel today with a ton of storage that you'll absolutely love. So let's talk about your full appliance suite, starting with the 8 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator, gas and electric powered. Onto your flush mounted Furrion cooktop with 21-inch oven. And look at that Furrion microwave as well. Super modern, super sleek looking, and blends right on into your cabinetry. And of course you have your vent fan as well for extra fumes that you want to expel from this camper. And check out the one-piece countertops throughout this fifth wheel with a lot of prep space, a large single bowl stainless steel sink with apron, and your drying rack built right in with a high-rise faucet. And my favorite feature is going to be this large hutch right in your kitchen area. It's a great area for entertaining, put things up for a buffet, for a wine bar, and of course, if all that cabinetry, the glass doors for all those cups, bowls, wine glasses, enough room for everything you want. And of course, in the corner there will be your power station to hook up your laptop or to charge your phone. And this kitchen, again, is not lacking storage with 8 drawers, a trash can / recycling bin, so many cupboards and so many drawers in this kitchen for all your utensils, paper plates, napkins, you name it. And you even have a gorgeous pantry with a glass door, 4 shelves that are adjustable with a light in there as well. What else could you ask for in the nice kitchen that you get in this Dutchmen Astoria? Now in your living room, we want a very comfortable furniture, and you get it with the Allure furniture that you are provided by Dutchmen. It's super comfortable, very plush, and again, it's gonna maintain its plushness through many, many years of enjoyment. 4 cup holders, a center console for some storage there as well, for your glasses, for remotes, and of course you have a nice trifold sofa in the back here. Again, very comfortable, and this will provide your guest extra sleeping quarters. In the living room, you have ample amount of storage. You have 4 cabinets above the back sofa for your items such as board games, extra clothing items. On either side of your sofa will be end tables with extra storage in there as well. So I would definitely think of having some cubby holes in there for your reading glasses, your magazines. You can charge your phone right there as well, as there are on both sides USB ports. And the storage continues to your entertainment center with 2 cabinets above your television for extra items, and beneath your TV will be a slot there. You can definitely use that if you want to bring a game console system with you for the kids to play. They can bring so and put it right there. Now let's talk electronics. Standard is going to be a 50-inch Jensen television on a swing mount arm. You also will get your DVD player, Bluetooth radio system right there as well with built-in speakers. And of course you have a 40-inch Furrion fireplace, which will keep up to 500 square feet nice and warm in this coach with 5,000 BTUs worth of warmth for your pleasure. As soon as you come into this fifth wheel, you'll notice how bright it is. There are 9 windows total on the main floor, with 1 being in the hallway, so you get extra light for those days where you just want to see the sun. You get that in this Astoria. And then a great feature is with your privacy, the windows are tinted, but you get also these nice pleated shades throughout as well. So if you don't want the sunlight in, you want some privacy, you got it in this Astoria. And look at the matching valances Again, we want to give you the residential feel, so you get that with the nice pleated shades and the nice valances. And we optioned in the freestanding table and chairs in this Astoria. So you have 4 chairs, a nice sized dining table. There's gonna be storage under each of these chairs. Just flip up the seat here. So you can put placemats in there, extra paperwork you don't want laying around right here in each of these chairs. And lastly, they do provide straps, so you can strap down each of the chairs while in transit. And on the main floor, you have 23 overhead lights on the main level. How crazy is that? If you don't want natural light, you can turn on all these lights to brighten up the day. We went a step above and gave you accent lighting in all 4 of the slide out fascias. How cool is that? Along with accent lighting under your main island. So if you don't want the main lights on during nighttime, you want to see and get around, flip on these accent lights and you're all set. So in your control panel in the hallway, you have a lot of things going on here. You have switches for your slides. You have your hot water heater, which is gonna be a 6-gallon hot water heater, gassy electric. You have pump, control for your water pump, which is gonna be in the outside driver's side storage behind the panel. And of course your tank levels. So this will give you a 50-gallon freshwater tank, a 67-gallon gray water tank, and a 39-gallon wastewater tank. And of course you have your switches for your lights as well. And as far as your HVAC systems go, you have a Dometic thermostat there that will control your ducted heat furnace, which is a 35,000 BTU furnace, as well as your 15,000 AC system, which we optioned in on this particular floor plan. And it's 50 amp coach with a second AC prep. So your heat and your AC is well taken care of in this Astoria. So let's go take a look at your large bathroom. It's surprisingly roomy in there, has 2 tones with their wood, a lot of countertop space, and a lot of storage. Let's take a look. So the first thing you'll notice is a large shower with glass doors. It will be a single shower surround with a built-in seat. And you also have shelves on both sides for your shampoos and conditioners with a nice size shower head to get nice and clean from a hard day of camping. You also have 2 linen closets right in there as well. They are nice and deep for all your linens and bath towels. And you have a porcelain foot flush toilet as well. And you have an extra large mirrored medicine cabinet in there for all your belongings. And again, generous amount of countertop space around your single bowl sink with hot and cold water. So you have a large master bedroom in the Astoria as well. Plenty of room to get around and get ready for the day. Very bright, very open, a lot of storage. So with your wardrobe slide, you have hanging rods on the right-hand side and shelves on the left. And beneath that will be 3 drawers for your socks and underwear. And the cabinets above your bed will be lighted with extra storage over there. And on each side are shelves along with those mirrors. On either side of the bed will be your side tables with both USB and outlets and storage there as well. Now the bed is a 60 by 80 residential queen size mattress with a ton of storage under there for all your extra items such as blankets, pillows, suitcases, or totes. And I especially love the large bright windows in this master bedroom as well. So you have a large window right on the door side as well as a super cool automotive style front windshield window as well with its own pleated shade. Not only will you love this vehicle because of the great, gorgeous interior kitchen and all the storage, but because of its outside amenities as well, such as the automotive style front windshield on this front gorgeous molded cap with built-in LED lights, the Rotoflex pin box for easy towing, and the huge pass-through storage as well as your power jacks, double awnings, more ride entry steps, and so much more. So stick with us, we'll take a look all around and hopefully you'll love it, and call me today at 616-965-9623. I'm Joel at V-Ring Service Center. It even has a built-in bike rack. Oh my gosh. And a roof ladder for all your maintenance. Yep, get up top and clean it off. On the driver's side, you have a 50 amp power cord. It's detachable. You have your power jacks down there as well as aluminum tires, and those are going to be radial tires for extra drivability with nitrogen filled. You have your gray tank and black tank controls right down here to dump your those tanks. Again, your Dometic hot water heater, and look at that built-in wet bay with all your connections for your television, for your hot water heater bypass, spray pour, city water connection, and black tank flush. Well, now that you have seen this great floor plan by Dutchmen, the Astoria 2993 RLF, I hope you can appreciate the beautiful kitchen, all the finishes, and the great things this will provide you on your next camping trip. Again, if you fell in love with it and want more information about the sale price, about trade values, about hitch equipment, then call or text me today at any point in time. I hope you're in your business today at Veering RV Center. And again, my number is 616-965-9623, and I'll see you at the campground.